Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on news stories notification dodge on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First, click on these three lines here. Now click settings, and now click privacy and safety. Now click story control, and here you will find news stories notification dodge. Click on it, and that's it. It will be turned on. That's how to turn on news stories notification dodge on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.